You have seen them before. The crazy attention-grabbing thumbnails from MrBeast. Those big, bold text, emotional faces, and colorful, high-contrast images that make you click instantly. But here's the thing, you don't need Photoshop or a designer to make thumbnails like that anymore. In fact, you can do it in minutes using a free AI tool, and I'm going to show you how. Let's recreate MrBeast-style thumbnails with just a few clicks. Let me introduce you to the secret weapon that make all of this possible, myAIthumbnail.com. This is AI-powered tool takes all of those design principles and automates them. Here's where it gets fun. You can recreate MrBeast style thumbnails in minutes without even touching Photoshop. Let me show you how. Go to myAIthumbnail.com, then choose a thumbnail from YouTube you want to recreate in your own version. Copy the link, paste it in the recreate section, add some changes over here if you want, hit generate and wait for 1 minute. Here you go. You got your high engaging MrBeast style thumbnail in 1 minute. In just a couple of clicks, you have got yourself a MrBeast inspired thumbnail done automatically by the AI. No Photoshop needed. Look at how closely the AI replicates the design elements. It's that easy. You can also create thumbnail with just your video's title and description, and it will give you the exact thumbnail you are asking for. Now you have no excuses. Creating MrBeast style thumbnails is easy, fast, and free. If you want to stop guessing with your thumbnails and start generating those high CTR images, head over to myAIthumbnail.com and try it for yourself. Link is in the description. Get your first AI generated thumbnail today and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. See you in the next video.